In our previous video, we got the clean blog theme up and working on our project. But it's still not really personalized to us. Let's think first of all about changing that background image in the heading. To do that, open up your preferred search engine, and I'm going to search for Thorin and Company. I'm then going to click on Images and have a browse and just see if there's an image here that I like. And this one over here to the right looks good. So I'm going to view that as a full-size image. And then I'm going to just copy the URL here to that image. So I'm just going to highlight it, copy it. And then we can head back over to Cloud9. And in our base.html, where we have background image URL, I'm going to take out our double curly brackets in the URL for, and then just paste in the image that we've copied the link of from the other page. So that's the full link to that background image. Now I do also have just one link up here in the navbar brand area, which is still set to index.html, so I'm just going to change that to the URL for index. And I'm going to change the text here as well that says Start Bootstrap. Let's start branding it as our own site. So I'm going to put Thorin, the code for an ampersand, the and sign, Company. And then as we go down, we have a H1 here where it says Clean Blog. So I'm going to take that out and put the same, Thorin, the code for the ampersand, and Company. And then the subheading, I'll just put some text there as well. It's a little redundant, obviously, but we can just put Thorin and his company of dwarves. Okay, very good. So now that we've done that, we can save our base.html file, go back over to our preview and see what we get. So now when I refresh, that looks much better. I get a nice background image there, and the heading looks good. I do think, though, that maybe the heading that we have there is a little bit too big in our careers page, so it'll be the same in our About Us and our Contact Us page. So let's just go back, and in about.html, I'm going to change the heading from a H1 to a H2. So I'll do that and save it. And I'm going to do the same then in the Contact Us. And also the same in Careers. And it's just going to make the page look that little bit cleaner. And my subheadings here aren't going to be competing then with the main heading on the page. So let's just save that. Check it again. So my home page there. Let's go to About. That's better. A smaller heading now is not competing with my main Thorin and Company heading. And Contact and Careers all looks very nice. So we've personalized our page for ourselves. We've changed the background image and changed some of the heading text as well. In our next section of videos, we're going to have a look at how to add more content and integrate data into our project.